Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Telegram not sending verification code. Once you hit start messaging, make sure that your country code and your phone number are correct before trying anything else. The other thing that you can try is toggling between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps, and if it is a network issue, it'll get solved. The third thing that you can try is checking your other devices that you're logged into, as the Telegram code is usually sent there first. You can also hit next and then tap on sign in with Google if the Telegram code is not being sent to you. But for this, you must make sure that you have already enabled two-factor authentication on your account before logging out. You can also try heading over to settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, and scroll all the way down to find Telegram. Tap on Telegram, tap on storage and cache, and clear the storage and cache of Telegram and try logging in again. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to see if that helps. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.